Hey everyone, Brian from All Day Ruckoff here, and today we're unboxing the GR1 Heritage again. I've got the review video done for my current version, but I wanted to give GORUCK the benefit of the doubt on this one piece with the bag. So I reached out to their customer service and they ended up shipping me another bag, so I have to return one of these. But we're going to open this one up and see if it has the same issue that my current version has. If you're curious what that issue is, it can be a little bit tough to see here, but the grab handle is not sewn in the center of the shoulder straps. So you can see right there, this shoulder strap aligns with that side of the grab handle on top. Moving over to the other side, you can see that it's off by 1.5 inches. Shoulder straps don't line up with the grab handle. I've talked to a number of people who have this pack and they've had some variation on theirs as well. So I'm interested to see if this one has a centered top carry handle or not. All right, inside we've got the insert, which we expect. We've gotten these in pretty much every single GORUCK box that's ever shown up. There's 2 stickers. Never had that one happen before, so that's kind of cool. And then we've got this GR1 Heritage. And I haven't even checked it out yet, obviously, because I just unboxed it. So let's get this out of the bag. And I'm nervous. There's actually a little bit of loose pieces of wax canvas on this one. It's interesting. Pulling it up, we've got the same issue. Look at that. So, just to confirm, this is the GR1 Heritage. There's the nice leather logo on the front. Here's the tag on it. It is in fact the GR1 Heritage 21 liter. And we've got the shoulder strap lining up with the top grab handle on this side. Moving it over. There it is. It's off-centered on this side. Every now and then, people give me a hard time about how much I use Field Notes notebooks, because I like them. But this time, I think they're going to save the day. In the back, they actually have a little ruler. So let's see just how off-center this one is. The distance on the close side right here between the shoulder strap, where it ends is sewn into the pack, and where the handle is 1/4 inch. Checking out the other side, we've got roughly 1.25 inches, which means it's off-center. There's 1/4 inch between where the shoulder strap meets the pack here and the handle moves over on this side. There's 1.25 inches over on the other shoulder strap where it's sewn in and where the handle is. So it's 1 inch in one direction. If they had sewn it 1/2 inch over, then roughly 3/4 inch on either side. But as it stands, 1/4 inch on one side, 1.25 inches on the other. Getting off topic just a little bit, I was kind of bummed that I was going to have to send my original GR1 Heritage back, because that pack has been through a lot with me. It's been on trips, which is fun, but it's also been through 14 days in the hospital with my son, so this thing has seen a lot, and I was kind of sad to send it back. So having this new GR1 Heritage be off-center as well means that I can keep my original one, and I'll send this brand new one back to GORUCK, and they can just have this thing back. So there you have it. I guess I'll be launching my review of the GR1 Heritage, because I was thinking that mine might have just been defective with an off-center grab handle, but it sounds like, since a number of people have had that issue's on the new pack, that maybe a lot of them have it. So if you own the GR1 Heritage, I would truly appreciate it if you would leave a comment and let me know if your top carry handle is off-center or not, because I know some people, it's a minor amount. I mean, this one's an inch off. My other one was an inch off. Seems like a bit, but honestly, I didn't even notice until I started taking a bunch of pictures and I got a Facebook message from someone who had one and was curious if mine had the issue as well. Hopefully you got something out of this video. Like I mentioned, the review for this pack is going to drop pretty soon. So if that review is out, then you should see a notification above in YouTube somewhere. And if there's no notification, then it's not out yet. There will also be a link in the description to that review video. Hopefully you got something out of this unboxing. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Would truly appreciate that. And if you're not subscribed to the channel yet, please consider subscribing. Tons of GORUCK content, rucking content, all that good stuff on there. A lot more videos on the way. Thank you so much for all the support. Huge shout out to everyone who supports on Patreon. Truly appreciate that. And as always, don't forget, attitude is everything. Keep yours positive and drink hard, ruck harder.